Located in Thandarai, India, Vaazh House sits on a north-facing rectangular site nestled among a cluster of closely spaced, family-owned homes. Interestingly, this neighborhood has no formal boundaries. Only one element symbolizes connection: the thinnai. This slightly elevated, covered veranda is a hallmark of Tamil homes and acts as the heart of social life, where neighbors chat, families relax, and dogs are lovingly fed. More than a threshold, it represents rootedness and belonging. The house is divided into 3 primary zones: the communal spaces consisting of the thinnai, living room, and central courtyard, and the more private areas, including the kitchen and bedrooms. These zones are arranged linearly to ensure visual continuity and a natural flow between functions. At the center lies the courtyard, a spatial anchor that serves as a source of light, ventilation, and connection, bringing rhythm and life to the everyday experience. A striking curved wall defines the volume of the courtyard, shielding the west side from the harsh sun. This wall doesn't stop at the ground. It extends upward to form part of the roof, creating an open space on the eastern side where morning sunlight gently pours in. Perforations in the curve allow light to paint delicate patterns across the earthen oxide floor, while rainwater filters through, splashing into the courtyard below. River stones placed in the courtyard evoke memories of the nearby river, creating a poetic and tactile connection to the local landscape. This curved wall is more than a sculptural statement. It's a play wall, inviting movement and interaction. Children can climb up to the rooftop, lie back, and watch the clouds drift overhead. It physically and symbolically links the ground to the sky, offering a 3-dimensional, recreational experience that's both functional and whimsical. The design invites exploration and encourages moments of pause in an otherwise fluid architectural journey. But the courtyard doesn't just belong to the family. It welcomes birds, insects, dogs, and cats, making the house a sanctuary shared with nature. By opening itself up to the climate and ecosystem, the home forms a gentle partnership with its surroundings. Natural elements like river stones and open skies are not just decorative. They are integral to the home's identity and emotional landscape. Vaazh House is not merely a shelter. It is a living, breathing space that celebrates the spirit of place, climate, and culture. Bare feet on cool soil, the gentle patter of rain through the roof, evenings spent stargazing. These everyday moments are what give the home its soul. Rooted in Tamil traditions and reimagined through contemporary design, Vaazh House shows how architecture can respond poetically to context, ecology, and community.